Hi everyone, I'm Nishi Patel from Northants Accounting, and today's video I wanted to talk to you about a term you might have heard quite recently. It's called making tax digital, and HMRC have been using it quite a lot. I wanted to give you an idea of what making tax digital means, why they're doing it, and also what it'll mean for your small business and how it might work going forward. No one quite knows because it's still in consultation. So one of the challenges with the tax system at the moment is we've got quite a few different types of tax. You've got payroll, corporation tax, self-assessment and VAT, plus a few various others that aren't always relevant to small businesses. One of the problems at the moment is all these taxes are administered by different departments within HMRC. So what that means is sometimes you might be owed a refund for your self-assessment tax, but you might have to pay some of your payroll tax, or it could be the other way around. One of the challenges at the moment is, in that case, having cash flow issues with a client's business while they have to pay out for one type of tax and then wait a few weeks to get a refund for another type of tax. Sometimes it is possible to offset these, but that can also be challenging. So what HMRC and the government are pushing for at the moment is creating a system where all of your taxes are managed in one place. So what they're looking at is something that's a bit like your online banking, where you can view all your different accounts, and they're looking to do something similar with tax. So in one place you've got all your different taxes and the total amount of money you owe HMRC or they owe you. We've already started to see some of these changes come through. If anyone's logged into the HMRC portal recently, then they'll notice that it looks very different. Some of it's the same, some of it's different. It looks a bit more simplified, which is good. And over the coming years we're likely to see quite a few more changes. What this means though is people will have better control of their taxes than they ever have really, and they'll have a better understanding. In the past, the statements on the HMRC systems have been very difficult to understand, and they often don't provide a lot of detail, which means phoning HMRC up and talking to them for quite a while to establish exactly what's going on. In the future, we'll be able to drill into this detail via the online system, so it should make dealing with tax a little bit easier. In the next video, what I'd like to do is also talk to you about what it'll mean in terms of your relationship with your accountant and the digital tax account side of it HMRC are talking about. So stay tuned for that.